wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a glare and a tune-up report for Joe in Pennsylvania on this RCI 69 base. Joe, got it going for you, bud, here. Tune in alignment, what you asked for, and the bright white LED in the meter. And let me just clean this thing. Good day. You ever seen such? Here we go. I didn't even want to stop there. Look at that. Doesn't that look better? Okay, now Joe, let's look at the date here. January 6th. Alright, so you're on the 6th. Next we got Walter coming up. And then we got Joseph on the 9th. So that way you guys kind of know where we're tracking. You know, we say, you know, about 3 weeks, 15 business days. So we are right on the money. Technically, probably a couple days ahead. But anyways, let's get right to it. Joe, I'm sure you're chomping at the bit to see this bad boy. Let's get right to it here, all the way down on the RF power. Get my stuff together today. 50 watt slug. There you go. 1 watt all the way down. That's only if you decide to run like a 4 pill amp or something. You got full adjustability. There you go at 14 watts. Show your average power swing. Hello, audio. 40 watts. 100 watts slug and peak. Hello. 1, 2, 3, hello. About 90 watts PEP. Joe, it's ready to go for you. Hope you enjoy it. Appreciate your patience. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.